Calling all superheroes. Grab your capes, your dog, and your squad and join us for the Patrick Taylor Memorial. This superhero wheel walk fun run steps off at Reed Park in Tucson on October 26, 2019. Do you know the best part? The 24th annual Tucson Firefighter Chili Cook-Off is happening at our finish line.
This is the place!
Northwest Fire District. Chili's got some smoked brisket in there. Got a little bit of heat, a little spice.
This family fun event pays tribute to Patrick Taylor, the firefighter, father, husband, and multiple sclerosis warrior who inspired the Greater Purpose Project. Hi, I'm Lauren with the Greater Purpose Project, reminding you to sign up for the Patrick Taylor Memorial Superhero Fun Run, which kicks off the Tucson Firefighter Chili Cook-Off. Sign up your squad today.